What if I told you that creating professional quality videos just got ridiculously easy and it won't cost you a single penny? Capcut just dropped their revolutionary AI video maker and it's completely transforming how content creators work. Whether you're dreaming of starting that YouTube channel you've been putting off or you want to dive into faceless content creation, this tool is about to become your secret weapon. I'm about to walk you through everything you need to know about this game-changing platform, show you exactly how it works, and demonstrate why this might be the most important video tool you'll use this year. But first, let me show you what's possible when artificial intelligence meets video creation. Picture this. You have a simple idea for a video about ocean predators. Within 10 minutes, you have a complete 3-minute video with professional narration, stunning visuals, engaging captions, and background music. The script is compelling, the pacing is perfect, and everything looks like it took hours to produce. That's exactly what I created using Capcut's AI video maker, and I'm going to show you step by step how you can do the same thing. For those unfamiliar with Capcut, it's the powerhouse video editing platform created by the team behind TikTok. What started as a mobile editing app has evolved into a comprehensive creative suite that rivals expensive professional software. The platform has built its reputation on being incredibly user-friendly while packing serious editing capabilities under the hood. But their new AI video maker takes things to an entirely different level. This isn't just another editing tool with some AI features sprinkled on top. This is a complete video creation ecosystem that handles every aspect of production using artificial intelligence. We're talking script generation, voiceover creation, visual selection, caption styling, and even music selection, all powered by sophisticated AI algorithms. The beauty of this system lies in its simplicity. You don't need years of editing experience or expensive equipment. You don't need to hire voice actors or spend hours hunting for the perfect stock footage. You simply describe what you want to create, and the AI handles the heavy lifting while giving you complete control over the final product. Let me break down exactly how this works in practice. The process starts with Capcut's intelligent script generator. Instead of staring at a blank page trying to figure out what to write, you simply tell the AI what topic you want to cover. You can be as detailed or as brief as you want. The system is sophisticated enough to create compelling content from just a few keywords, but it also allows you to provide specific requirements, reference materials, and style preferences. What's particularly impressive is how the script generator handles timing. Traditional AI writing tools often struggle with creating content that matches specific video lengths. Capcut's system understands the relationship between word count, speaking pace, and video duration. When you request a 3-minute video, you get a script that actually runs 3 minutes when narrated, not some generic text that might work for any length. The voice selection process showcases another area where Capcut excels. Rather than offering a handful of robotic-sounding options, the platform provides over 100 different AI voices spanning various accents, ages, emotions, and speaking styles. Each voice is designed to sound natural and engaging, moving far beyond the obvious AI narration that dominated early text-to-speech technology. But here's where things get really interesting: the visual intelligence system. Capcut offers 3 distinct approaches to handling your video's visual elements. The generative AI option creates completely original visuals based on your script content. The personal media matching scans your uploaded files to find relevant content. The stock media matching is perhaps the most impressive, analyzing your script to identify key terms and automatically sourcing appropriate footage from Capcut's extensive library. This stock media system demonstrates the power of AI in content creation. Instead of spending hours searching through footage libraries trying to find clips that match your narration, the AI does this work instantly. It understands context, identifies relevant keywords, and selects visuals that complement your story. The result is professional-looking content that maintains visual interest throughout the entire video. The caption and text overlay system adds another layer of sophistication. Capcut doesn't just generate basic subtitles. The platform offers dozens of dynamic caption styles that highlight words as they're spoken, create visual emphasis, and maintain viewer engagement. These aren't static text overlays but animated elements designed to keep eyes on the screen. Music selection rounds out the creative process. The AI analyzes your video's tone, pacing, and content to suggest appropriate background tracks from Capcut's extensive audio library. Whether you need something energetic and upbeat or calm and informative, the system provides options that enhance rather than distract from your content. What sets CapCut apart from other AI video tools is the balance between automation and control. While the AI handles the initial creation process, you maintain complete editing flexibility. Don't like a particular scene? Replace it with different stock footage or generate new AI visuals. Want to adjust the narration style? Switch to a different voice or modify the script. Need different captions? Choose from dozens of animated styles. This flexibility extends to the template system, which is particularly valuable for creators focused on short-form content. CapCut provides pre-built templates for popular video formats, from educational content to motivational messages. These templates serve as starting points that you can customize to match your brand and message while maintaining proven structural elements that drive engagement. The speed of creation is genuinely remarkable. What traditionally required hours of work, from scriptwriting through final export, now happens in minutes. This isn't about cutting corners or producing lower quality content. It's about removing the technical barriers that prevent great ideas from becoming great videos. For content creators, this represents a fundamental shift in how video production works. Instead of being limited by technical skills or production budgets, creators can focus entirely on ideas and messaging. The AI handles the execution while maintaining professional quality standards. The implications extend beyond individual creators. Businesses can now produce regular video content without dedicated video teams. Educators can create engaging lesson materials without learning complex software. Marketers can test video concepts quickly and affordably. CapCut's AI Video Maker isn't just another tool in an already crowded market. It represents a new approach to content creation that democratizes video production while maintaining professional standards. Whether you're launching your first YouTube channel or scaling an existing content strategy, this platform removes traditional barriers and opens up possibilities that simply didn't exist before. The future of content creation is here, and it's more accessible than ever. With CapCut's AI Video Maker, the only limit is your imagination. Subscribe for more insights and let us know your thoughts in the comments section. Until next time, stay blessed.